the heck? Another parcel from Banggood. I just got another drone. I mean, another SG drone. Yeah, check my video coming up about the demise of the SG-106. Anyway, unboxing. What have we got here? I don't know. All my good friends at Banggood. Link in the description. Pop up on the screen. Wow. It's an Eachine E019. Or should I say E019. 2 ways to fly. Hey, this looks pretty cool. Ages 14 plus. Comes with a little remote controller. Transformable indoor stunt board. Wow. Hey, this is pretty cool, you guys. Look at this dude. Let's get into it. Hidden underneath is well, what appears to be a comprehensive instruction book in many different languages. And we have Action Man. Release him from the bag. Consider yourself released, Action Man. Have a look at that character. What a cat. He's cool. I shall stand him there on the instructions. Look at his head moves, and his arms. Torso, no. Legs, no. Don't break his legs. Okay, here we go. What else is hidden in the back here? Ooh, a little tiny battery. We have a little, crikey, 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp hour battery. Look after that, Action Man. Crikey. What the heck? And a thingy. Maybe a parachute top.
Not too sure. Proprietary screwdriver? Oh, not a prop. You did. Charging cable, USB.
Not too sure. We're here, we shall charge up the battery. Right. So, yep, proprietary light comes on, and the light goes off. She's fully charged.
Okay, got a few bits and pieces here. Got the motor. And have a look inside.
Link in the description. Wow, look at that. And that's a pretty funky looking outfit. Yeah. Nice little solid filling little remote controller here. Let's just take the battery cover off. A couple of AAAs. I should use the AAAs from my SG-106 remote that I don't use anymore because the drone's rubbish.
Sorry, it's not rubbish. It's broken. So it's no rubbish. Wasn't too bad. Actually, it was. It was a terrible drone before. Check over here if I haven't mentioned the
Power on. Standard light comes on. Okay. Long press to power off. Cue the editing. I'm just going to find out what these buttons do up top. Up the top here we have a long press for emergency stop, which is the triangle with the exclamation mark. The speed switch, oh okay, 1, 2 and 3, so speed, quick stop, automatic demonstration, and a flip. And like I said, left right trimming, forward backwards trimming, direction control, accelerator, 1 key takeoff and land, power indicator, and that's all you need to know about that really, so that's pretty cool. I think you can stick Action Man on the top here. So Action Man sits there like that, and Action Man takes off. That's really cool. Okay, so yeah, we've got some props underneath and props on top. That's where you plug your battery into. Is where you remove the battery. Here we go. So underneath, this is where you take the battery out. As you can see, I've got 2, so it's the same battery in there, 300 milliamp. So the battery goes in there. I know, let's pair him up. Not a great deal of room in there to put the cables, but anyway, we'll put them in there anyway. Awesome. Okay, so.
I'm going to power this thing up. So what you can do, I think, is you can put the parachute on, or you can have the dude hanging from underneath. So, okay, that's what this is all about. So you can have them hanging from underneath, the parachute up top, or you can have them sitting on top. I think we'll go for the sitting on top scenario here. Let's move these things out of the way. Alright.
Right, of the Eachine E019. Oh, that's cool. Check that out. Okay. Wish me luck. Turn the remote on. I assume it's up and down to power. And left, right, starter up. Oh gosh, anything could happen here. Here we go. Doesn't look too stable to me, but oh well. Whoa! Rocky. Okay. Action man, you're sitting out this one. I need to fly this thing. Okay, so both sticks southeast to calibrate. Right, let's fly. Not too bad, not too bad. A little bit shabby. Gotta hit my camera. Okay, here we go. Do an emergency landing. I do I do like the prop guards in this. This is pretty good, especially for these close quarters flying.
It's actually on. It's actually facing the wrong way because that's actually forward. Okay, no, it's not facing the wrong way. Alright, first flight, action man, action.
Oh, action man. Let's try again. So I'll fly it outside tomorrow. First flight, yeah, he looks pretty cool. I'm not going to spin around because he'll probably crash, but there you go. There's Action Man in action. He's a beauty. I'm not sure I flip. Yeah, hey, this thing's awesome. You need more room though, guys. You know, it's dark outside, so I can't go outside at the moment, but there you have it. Action Man in action. And look, I can crash too and it's not hurting it, which is a good thing for me. Come back, Action Man. Hey, that's awesome. Alright. Great stuff. Hey, he's cool. I'm going to charge the batteries up and go for a decent fly tomorrow. I'll try the parachute setup as well, see how that goes. See how, I think this would probably fly better if Action Man was hanging underneath. Because I think it does upset the balance slightly, but yeah, prop guards are good, especially for flying indoors. I'll have fun with this. See you next video. Thanks for dropping by, and see you in the sky. Beauty. Bye for now. There you have it. Action Man. Air Force. I've got to see this flies. Two thumbs up.